Rise. Judge Vanderbeek Court is now in session. Judge, this is case number JVB 1039, Sutton case.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You all may be seated. Ms. Sultan.
Yes.
You brought this case before the court. What's going on?
So I had met my boyfriend online. We've been dating for a year, and I lived in Kansas at the time, and he lived in Texas, and he would fly to me, and we'd see each other often. I then got pregnant, and he had disappeared on me. So our daughter is now 5 months old, and I had moved 3 months ago to Texas so we could all be together.
Before this courtroom drama unfolds, pause for a second. If you enjoy real courtroom stories broken down clearly and honestly, make sure you subscribe to this channel, like the video, and share it with someone who loves true legal drama. This case may look simple at first glance, but it quickly turns into a story of distance, trust, and responsibility. What starts as an online romance across states ends up inside a courtroom, with a child caught in the middle. Stay with me because every detail matters here, and the judge's decisions will shape what happens next in a very real way.
To Texas from Kansas to be with him?
Yes.
Okay.
So our daughter could have both parents.
Okay.
And he had just disappeared on me. So now I would like child support.
Okay. Have you, I see you did request a DNA test.
Yes.
So he has not taken
He has
DNA.
not.
Okay. Does he know he's the father? Does he believe he's not the father?
He believes he's not, but I know he is.
How do you know he is?
Because there's no other way.
All right. Okay. Well, I see he's not here today. And
The case centers on Miss Olson, who tells the court she met her boyfriend online. Their relationship lasted a year, long distance, filled with flights between Kansas and Texas. Then everything changed. She became pregnant, and according to her, the man disappeared completely. Their daughter is now 5 months old. Hoping to build a family, she moved to Texas so their child could have both parents. Instead, she was left alone again. Now she's asking the court for child support, while the father claims he may not even be the child's parent.
And that is partially because you did not serve him to be here today. So what you filed with me, the child support request and the request for DNA testing, you didn't actually get him served with that to be here today.
Okay.
Okay, and you understand he has to be served with it in order to appear.
Okay.
Okay.
Understood.
Okay, so what I'll do is I will order him to appear. He has to take DNA testing, get DNA testing.
The judge quickly zeroes in on the legal problem. Miss Olson requested child support and a DNA test, but there's a major issue. The alleged father was never officially served court papers. That's why he isn't present. Without service, the court cannot move forward. The judge explains this clearly and firmly. Court isn't about emotions alone. Procedure matters. No service means no appearance, and no appearance means no immediate ruling. Still, the judge doesn't dismiss the case. Instead, the court prepares to force the next step, proof through DNA testing.
Done before he comes back to court, and I'll set you out. What do you need, like a month or so?
Yes, please.
Okay. All right, so he'll have to do DNA testing before then, so that way when we come back, if he's deemed to be the father, then we'll just move forward and see about the child support part, okay?
Okay.
Okay. If there's nothing further, you are dismissed.
The judge orders the man to appear and complete DNA testing before the next hearing. A new court date is set, giving enough time for results. If he's confirmed as the father, the court will move straight into child support decisions. With that, the case is temporarily closed and Miss Olson is dismissed. This is where today's story ends, but the outcome is still coming. If you enjoyed this breakdown, subscribe, like, and share. Thanks for watching. And if you want to discuss brand sponsorships, contact me at arhabshahid8@gmail.com.